Hey, it's Jake, your HASA resident pool expert, and before you dive in, let's talk about how to keep your pool clean all season long. When it comes to pool maintenance, it's important to keep the water moving and circulating. It's best to run the system to have all the water in the pool pass through the filter at least once a day. Let's go take a look at the pump. It's a good idea to install an energy-efficient pump that can run at a lower speed throughout the day to keep the water moving and save on energy use.
So happy water's moving water. Stagnant water, that's when problems happen. But if you can keep the water moving, I mean, very little problems happen in a river, right? But algae does grow in a lake. So we want to make sure that the water keeps moving. That water passes through the filter, contaminants are trapped. The water will simply brush the walls naturally with the flow of the water, so that takes contaminants off the wall. Does a great job of mixing the chemicals. So happy water's moving water, and for folks that have a variable speed pool, they can really take advantage of that technology and run their pool 24 hours a day at a low speed. But again, happy water's moving water.
The more the water moves, the better the quality of the pool water will be. This, along with proper water balancing, is especially important in preventing any algae growth in the pool. Algae can thrive in still water like a stagnant pond. Water is drawn into the pump system through the skimmer opening and is redistributed through the returns in the pool. Make sure that the filter is clean and is running at the proper pressure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Check and clean the pump basket as needed. Clean any leaves and debris from the skimmer basket, and be sure and check the basket weekly.
The old rule of thumb for running your pool is know the temperature, and it's 1 hour for every 10 degrees. So most customers are running their pool somewhere between 8 and 10 hours. But again, if you have a variable speed, you can adjust that to meet the needs and the flow needs of your pool. So that might be a little longer or maybe a little bit less.
It's really important that the water is flowing through your pool pump properly to create constant movement of water. Go down to your local pool store or check with a professional to make sure your pool water is moving properly. To learn more about the water treatment solutions we've discussed today, visit HASA.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.